Nanya's success lies in its thinking and approach. Nanya is committed to ensure that all its products meet customer expectations in all respects. Also, right from conception of product to its delivery and during post-sales activities, including best service and quality management. Nanya is committed to ensure that buyer gets value for every single rupee he has spent on our product. Our ideology: customer must not suffer no matter what the situation is. Nanya introduces 1, 2, 3, 4 R. Policy: resolve, repair, replace, refund. Our first action: customers' complaints are resolved either through video conferencing or personal visit. If problem is related to product, then repair action will be carried out. If product cannot be repaired and fault is covered in warranty terms, then product will be replaced. If there is no fault in the product, but for some reason it cannot be used by buyer because of its fitment issues, which buyer was unaware of, refund the money to customer against return of goods unless it is a customized product ordered by customer.